Greetings, it's June 6, 2023. I'm with Will Berkovitz, Executive Director, Jewish Family Services of Seattle. This is an etching I donated, I did back in 1981. Eliezer ben Yehuda and a Hod Ha'am early Zionists. And I'd like to invite Will to say a few words, whatever he'd like.
Well, I mean, what I think of Hod Ha'am, I believe he said once, more than the Jews kept the Sabbath kept the Jews, meaning that by taking time to take a break, to slow down, to live near each other in community, that would be the thing that would keep our community together. I think that's really true. And obviously our language, Ben Yehuda, he was the founder of modern Hebrew.
Right.
It's, anybody who speaks it, that's how we know it. It's incredible. It's a beautiful piece.
Thank you. That's a fascinating thing you said about the Sabbath and all that. And thank you very much, Will.
Thank you for the incredible generosity.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure.